Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Petgentle review. So you might be wondering what is the Petgentle device here. So the Petgentle is a handheld ultrasonic device marketed for correcting unwanted dog behaviors, mainly excessive barking, though the site also lists jumping, digging, and chewing. Now, it works by emitting a high frequency sound that's inaudible to humans but noticeable to dogs, paired with built in LED flashlights. Now, this is all according to their website. Now, how do you use it? Now, according to them, you hold the device in your hand with a clear line of sight to your dog, give a verbal command like stop or quiet, then press the activation button to emit an ultrasonic tone. Now release the button once your dog stops the behavior and follow up immediately with praise or treat to reinforce the desired response. Now, according to the website, it also recommends keeping sessions short, so around like 10 to 15 minutes, and pairing the device consistently with reward-based training rather than using it alone. Now, effective range is listed up to like 33 feet on the standard side, while with some listings citing up like 50 feet for certain models. Now, it runs on a 9-volt battery included with purchase, and the site notes that the sound travels in a straight line, so it won't work through walls or solid barriers. So you need to keep that in mind. Now, on the pricing side here, the official listing shows a stated regular price of around $80. Now, discounted to around $35.75 under an ongoing promotion. With free worldwide shipping, return windows have varied across the site's homepage, so listing at either like 60 or to 90 day, depending on where it's actually noted. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.